we're starting with. If you do like the content, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want anything else covered, and we'll get started. So the eToro cash ISA is in my other video, so I'll maybe point back to that. But with the stocks and shares ISA, which obviously does have more risk, and like I say, this is, it's not financial advice, these are just ideas. Basically, they're doing an offer where you can get up to 3% cash back on I think it's your first transfer to their stocks and shares ISA product. So to get the 3%, there are a lot, I suppose, a few requirements. So if it's new, if it's a new deposit, I think it could be 500. So that's fine. Just I suppose you could open it with less, but in terms of the transfer side, it's 15,000 minimum transfer, which is the same as the cash ISA product. So also to get these kind of advertised rates, you do have to have quite a big pot of money to move. And then basically there's a 10,000 limit on the cash back that you can get, but I am very aware that obviously most people will, not be really concerned with that. But basically, yeah, 15k minimum transfer in pounds, so that's quite a lot. And then basically, most people, virtually no people, will be getting the 3% bonus, I suspect, because you need the diamond kind of rating with eToro to get that. So you've got to have. This is in US dollars, by the way, but it's $250,000 you've got to have to start getting that rate. So it's not, not likely for most people. However, what you can do is a lot more possible. Is get the 2.5% bonus, and obviously, just be aware. Also, the bonuses, I believe they're paid into a non-ISA account. So just be aware. If they're very large bonuses, there might be tax implications of those because they're not kept within the ISA product. But basically, the Diamond Plus rating or rank, whatever you want to call it, is $50,000. The Diamond is $25,000, but the Diamond one you can also just buy for $4.99 a month. So if you're thinking of moving a large amount of money, and $4.99 is not too much for you to think of, then it might be worth doing that. If you don't kind of reach any of these $25,000 or $50,000 thresholds, then it might be worth just buying. And then 2% if you're below that, but you have to kind of get $5,000 or so in there to get the kind of the silver, $10,000 are in there to get the gold, and then you get 2% cash back on the transfers. So just an idea to be aware of. If you not financial advice, but if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe.